Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because in today's video I will show you how to turn a pair of simple boots like these into something very punk rocky and cool and Alexander McQueen vibe and all kind of vibes. Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Eugenia and I'm a fashion designer and an artist, and I specialize into some crazy fashion, not really ready to wear, but you know, special events fashion that's like for photo shoots, red carpet. I work with celebrities sometimes, and I have two collaborations on Melrose with two boutiques, and we work with celebrities for like photo shoots, you know, some special occasions. So I love that side of fashion. I feel like it's when art meets something wearable. So if you're into that stuff, then this channel is for you. Also, I'm gonna be taking you to some cool places in LA and like, you know, to boutiques that I work with, and I have few online businesses. So if that sounds good, I'm your girl, okay? Plus stunning personality, so, and then lots of caffeine. So.
In my mouth is a desert, running dry on the tip of my tongue. I can taste your lies, had to measure the love you throw around.
Okay, the first thing I'll be adding is my label, because this is just something that I want to do because I have a store. So I'm going to add it right here, and then I'm going to glue it. You don't have to do this if you don't want to add any tag, any label. Like you don't have to, but I'm going to do this. But this is basically a step optional. But if you have a little store and you sell clothes and you want to put your name on it, you can totally do that. So the first thing is this, but this is optional. And the glue that I'm using is E6000, so I'm going to be working with that. I suggest that you use black E6000. I have black E6000 right here, but it's a little dry and I don't feel comfortable using it because I don't think it's working anymore. But black one would be better because when it dries up, it's going to be black, which is perfect, and it's not going to leave the white residue. Whenever I work with E6000, I add a little bit of it to like a plastic lid or something, and then once it dries up, I add more. So this is what I'm going to do. Add a little bit of E6000 on the plastic lid, and then I'm gonna put it aside. I think you need to use tweezers if you have any, that will help to grab stuff. So, but right now I'm gonna only focus on gluing some glue onto the name tag, but that is optional for you. So this step is optional, right? So now we're gonna add some spikes. I'm using these plastic spikes, and what's good about them is they're very light. They're not heavy, so they're gonna adhere better than any metal things would be. I'm also using those beautiful rhinestones, and I try to buy very good quality ones because they will shine better. So this is what I'm gonna be doing next. So what's good about rhinestones, you can just grab it like that, and it holds, it doesn't fall. But with spikes, I feel like it does fall off the tweezers. What you can do is just use tweezers that have some rubber ends, and it will work. So I'm gonna start working on this.
Desert, running dry on the tip of my tongue. I can taste your lies, had to measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. One of us will have to take a bow.
And I am using different types of spikes, small and large. I feel like that variety creates interesting pattern. And just be careful not to leave any gaps. Try to get close try to place them as close as possible to each other so there are no gaps. Otherwise the glue can be shown here and they're not gonna look as cool. So let's use some small ones. Okay, so this is where I am so far. I've added a bunch of rhinestones and spikes, and I'm just, whenever I'm working, so just a little tip, whenever I'm working on one area, I try to not to tilt the shoe, because otherwise, because the glue is very, the glue is fresh and it's not set yet, they can slide off. The rhinestones can slide off. So just be careful when you work with one side. Just keep it kind of straight and wait for it to set a little bit, and then you should be fine. So yeah, I'm working on one side at a time. I'm going to sew in a couple skulls because that's what I had in the other design. So these are the skulls. My hands are covered in glue, so disregard that. I'm going to add them and sew them in so they will be just dangly like that. And after that, we will be attaching some feathers, and I will show you how to do that as well, also with the glue, and we're gonna then cover them up with rhinestones. So I'm going to continue here, and yeah, I'll see you when I'm attaching skulls. Okay, so now I'm going to sew in the skulls, and I'm going to use the thread for that. Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. I attached the skulls, so I sewed them in, and we're done with one side. So now I have to do the other side, and then we're gonna add feathers. And this is my light reflecting screen held by a pumpkin. So yeah, and we will continue working on this, and we will finish it, and it's gonna be stunning.
I can taste your lies, how to measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. One of us will have to taste.
So yeah, this is basically done. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and then we're gonna attach the feather part. So I'll show you. Hey guys, so this is day number 3 of shooting. After careful consideration, I decided not to add feathers because I want the shoes to be very unique and I want them to be different. I know, maybe not for everybody, but I tried them on and I feel like having feathers on both, it would look too theatrical. And I was going for some crazy punk rock style, and I feel like just one is enough. But you can do feathers on both shoes, that's totally fine. And just I want to explain to you how to, in case you decided to add some feathers. So just grab feathers, you know, I bought them in downtown LA, but I'm sure you can find them in any fabric store, and just cut the desired length of the heel, and use E6000, the same you did for the rhinestones. Glue it on, and then to cover up the ribbon here, I just added some rhinestones. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. My name is Eugenia. Welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. For more cool fashion DIY, I made this dress, so I'll show you. Stuff is happening. See you soon. Kisses. Bye.